You wanna say hi? That's a nice kiss. Let's make sure it's clean though while we're vlogging. Good morning! We have a really special day today, guys. Today is Lincoln's therapy evaluation. Yeah, so I'm excited. We have Lincoln's therapy evaluation for here in Nashville. We found a therapy place that seems like it's gonna be a great fit for us, and so he has his evaluation and he's so excited. So we're gonna have some new therapists and it's gonna be so good. You wanna give kisses? That's a nice kiss. Oh my gosh, guys. So Lincoln is actually in big boy underwear right now, guys. This is a really big deal. We ran out of diapers and we're short on time, and so I'm going to see how it goes. He's been really curious and kind of watching his brothers and that kind of thing, just trying to figure out about the potty. So I'm excited that there's some curiosity there, and it seems like we're kind of taking some next steps to potty training. But this is the first time for him to not have a pull-up on or anything like that, and so we're definitely gonna go pick up some more at the store because I know that we'll be needing that either way. I don't know if he's fully ready to potty train, but this is gonna be our first attempt here, guys. So I'm excited about that, but we need to head out the door in just a second. Steven just got home from a meeting and we're gonna be heading to his new therapist. We're trying to make a mad dash out the door here because we wanna be on time, right?
I was a little late.
Well, you know, we're having some good meetings. Yeah, you're ready to go, Lincoln.
It's so awesome being in this town because we have so many friends for so long.
Yeah.
That we get to, you know, just get to hang out with. And so
yeah, connecting with
getting to
people.
reconnect with a bunch of my friends. Mm-hmm. You know.
I'm excited for you, babe. That's so awesome. Yeah, we are making some friends, and this is definitely one of the biggest parts of moving here that we were praying about, is just being able to connect.
Yeah, sometimes you want to go where everybody knows your name.
Exactly.
They're always glad you came.
All right, Linky, let's do this. You happy?
He's like, oh,
Yeah,
I'm
you
sitting
are.
up on top of a table. So,
It's gonna be good.
oh, thanks.
Yeah.
That's not the right one, but that's okay.
We could probably sit on like the stairs or something. That might be a little more steady for him.
We're right. We are good to go. So COVID rules, only one parent allowed in at a time. So Amanda just took Lincoln in for his OT evaluation, and I'm just hanging out in the car waiting for them to get back. Kind of bummed because I really wanted to be in there for it, but better safe than sorry, I guess. So I'm just waiting. Hey, buddy. You coming? Let's go.
Yeah,
How was it?
did it.
Yeah?
You're such a big boy.
Good.
He's running away.
Where are you going? How'd it go?
It went really well.
Yeah?
He was really active and
Good.
engaging and having a lot of fun. So I think it's gonna be a good fit. You ready to go home? Yeah?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Say home. Let's go home.
You say home?
Always gotta have a snacky.
Yeah,
It's our
man.
favorite. That's our favorite.
He goes, mmm.
High five, Linky.
High five, mommy.
High five. Good
Now high
job.
five me.
Yay.
There you
Good
go.
job. Whew, that was fun, but
Yes.
very. They did like a full evaluation, so they'll know kind of where to pick up with him. It was
You thought that was fun, huh, buddy?
It was so good.
Yeah.
So proud of him. He was like following directions so well. Like I obviously know his skills, but it was really cool to kind of see him showing off, and she would like ask him to do things without pointing, and he would just go do them. She'd be like, "Can you go over there and
good.
pick that up for me? Bring it back." And he'd go over there and do it, and I'm like,
That's
my
awesome.
boy."
Because you never know. It's like you're always kind of like, well, he hasn't been in therapy for like 3 weeks now.
Right,
Well,
that's what
4
we're
weeks
talking
now, I
about,
guess.
too. Yeah.
So will he remember it all? And I guess he did. So that's awesome.
Yeah, we were talking about how there's been a little bit of a lapse, so we're really anxious to kind of get him back in. And so
Yeah.
this was the OT evaluation, but we also have one for physical therapy and
Yeah.
also for speech therapy. So
Yeah.
he
They're
will
all
be-
spread out.
Yeah, because it's a crazy time of the year. So
Yeah.
yeah, baby, you want some more? So
He's like, give me more food, please.
yeah,
I need all
you gotta
the food.
open it up. So we'll be getting into those soon, but it was good to have this first one out of the way, and just,
Yeah, for
it
sure.
feels like it'll be a good fit.
Ready? My gosh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Sweet hugs. He was giving me so many hugs and kisses. Yeah.
I'll call you Huggy Bear.
It was really cute. He kept showing off for the therapist. I was giving so many hugs and kisses, huh? Watch fingers. Whoop. Good job. Somebody's having a good day. Oh, my hug. Oh, so many hugs.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Woo, Target. Good job. There you go. Let's get all cleaned up, right, Linky?
Hey babe, you should get this.
Should I get this?
Be my little Jovi.
Oh my gosh. You know what I should get?
What's that? Oh my gosh.
My grandmother had a sweater.
That looks exactly like something Memo would wear.
I feel like we should get some ugly Christmas sweaters.
I'm down.
So
What you need, Booger? You want to wear this dress? It's like shiny things. We all love Target. I think this may be record time for actually going to the thing that we came to Target for.
We're on a mission.
We always have a way of coming to Target and it's like, oh, we need, you know, a roll of toilet paper. And then $700 later.
No, it's not that.
That's not that bad. Which one do you want, buddy? Do you want Hulk? Yeah. Yeah. What do you think? Oh. Nah.
We're gonna do these. Superhero one?
Because you're a superhero.
Superhero?
Yeah.
Superhero, right?
Amanda, imagine watching the rest of season 4 of The Crown on this television.
So you're being sneaky because you're talking about our favorite
Just
show.
imagine this, and right below it there is a fireplace with a nice fire going.
Oh my gosh.
And then you've got The Crown. It's just perfect.
Maybe for Christmas, Stephen.
It'll
Maybe
be
for
over by
Christmas.
then.
This is true. Ooh, look at the Christmas stuff, Linky. Oh, now you're talking.
We
Wow.
always have a gingerbread competition.
You like that, Lincoln?
We always have a gingerbread competition between the kids, boys against girls or whatever. But this year, I think we're doing a competition with our friends Phil and Alex.
Yeah, family against family. That'll be
I'm
fun.
debating if we need to say we're all starting with the same materials or just like sky's the limit and we like
Yeah.
make it go all out and do like the best gingerbread house ever.
This is true.
But that's pretty sweet.
That is cool. We definitely are going to be getting into the Christmas spirit very soon. Right, Lincoln?
He's like,
Yes.
I'm already in the Christmas spirit. What do you mean, Mom?
Yeah, he's like, I'll take one of everything.
Give me a mansion. I'll take a mansion.
He's like, put it in.
Whoa. Hey, bud.
Whoa.
Hello? Oh, it's for you.
Say hi. It's like that Santa dances.
He's kissing Santa Claus.
Did you give Santa a kiss? That's nice. Oh my gosh. Someone is running away, like literally trying to run down the road. Lincoln, come back, buddy. Oh my gosh. This way. This way. You have so much energy. See, I do.
I pee freely here is what
Come back, come back. Somebody had an accident. We get the diapers and then as soon as we get home, we were just like a couple minutes short. Come on, Lincoln, let's go change your diaper.
I pee freely.
We gotta go get.
Let's go.
He's like, yeah.
Inside the house.
Hey guys, do you guys want to help us carry some stuff in?
I heard Lincoln. I was like, wait, I take her back.
He had a really good.
Have to see our. We organized our Lego rolls. Like a whole
You
bunch.
organized the Legos?
It's like amazing.
Whoa, I will definitely check that out. Let's carry some stuff in and we'll go see. Okay. All my good helpers. Yeah, we have some snacks too.
Ethan goes, I'm digging into those veggie straws.
You guys got some new Lego stuff set up? Whoa, cool, guys.
Electric chairs.
Electric chairs?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that kind of electric chair.
Yeah. Mine have like a booster and a wing.
Wow, like chairs that like fly kind of thing. Wow, that's a cool tank. That's awesome, guys.
You guys may have noticed from
May?
the previous video of Christmas. We built that.
Yeah, y'all guys had some Lego cars last Christmas. You guys think you're gonna get some Legos this year for Christmas?
Yeah. And then
Yeah.
we had a motorcycle.
Wow.
Motorcycle.
Yeah, you guys did some cool stuff with your Legos. So we're gonna take some of the big kids to go get the rest of their stuff for their room because we are finishing up all of our rooms. Our next vlog is gonna be our decorated house tour, so that's gonna be cool. But we gotta finish all the rooms first, right?
Yeah.
Mr. Lincoln's gonna go down for a nap in a second. He's like putting as many in his mouth as he possibly can. Oh my gosh.
And right when he hears he's going down for nap.
Yeah, he's like, I'm gonna go over here since I heard that I am about to take a nap. Yep. And some of the big kids are gonna come with us. Are you excited to finish your room?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so exciting. Are you excited to finish your room?
Yep.
We literally have like 2 things left.
Yeah.
Do you need a drink, Lincoln? You got it.
Oh, you got my cup.
Look at those nice brothers helping you out. Such a good sleeper. Like the best sleeper of all of our kids. It just blows my mind how good the sleeper is. So we're gonna take some of the big kids to the store now and finish getting all the stuff for their rooms and decorate. And I'm really excited that our next video is the decorated home tour for you guys. Finally, we're gonna be able to show you guys just kind of how everything's come together. And it's been really fun to just kind of get it all decorated and just feel like we're really truly at home. This girl is picking out the last few things for her room and Kira's room, and everything's looking so good. I'm so excited. Are y'all guys ready to get the last few things?
It's so cold.
It's cold out here. It's really cold today. Yeah, it feels good. Are you guys excited to go too?
Yep.
Yep.
So
So
I have veggie straws to be prepared.
you brought veggie straws to be prepared.
Check out my dude's matching hats that I just got them because
Whoa.
we are mountain men. We are
Yep.
the mountain men.
Mountain
So we got a couple
guys.
hats.
Those
I'm
are
not
cool.
wearing one, but
Yeah, I was
they're
gonna-
rose.
they're
So-
matching. They're matching in heart, right?
Matching in heart. This is where my mountain is.
Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so Lincoln's taking a nap and Reese is gonna babysit, and the rest of us are going to go finish getting a few more things. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
What are you guys doing?
Going through the back.
Y'all trying to get in?
Yep, it works.
What in the heck? That's perfect. I decided actually this week that we didn't need all 12 seats in our car because there's only 9 of us. So I took out one of the back seats and it has been a game changer for our family because we have room for the stroller and for all kinds of the luggage and bags and all kinds of stuff. It's made it so much easier, and the kids have decided that that's going to be the door they get in and out of the van from now on. So.
It's kind of funny, like you see all these kids climbing out of the back of a van.
It's like, whoa, what,
they
that-
think it's cool, but I'm sure people are like, what in the world?
It's crazy.
I remembered the lamp this time.
Oh,
Because we
good.
keep forgetting we needed to exchange it because this is such a cool lamp. We got it for Jude's room, but it wasn't working correctly.
We've
so.
been to the store like 6 times and always forget to take it back.
Yeah,
So.
we're those people.
You guys, I
remember
like that. Have y'all ever done that where it's just like something sits by the door for weeks and you're just like, We're gonna remember at some point.
Not today. We are
So,
actually taking care
well
of it.
done.
Thank you. So guys, we are actually going to drive through Chick-fil-A first because all of the kids have been such great helpers, and
Kill it.
we've been working really hard at organizing the house and getting everything ready for the just final house tour and all of that. And so we told the kids if they were working really hard and had great attitudes that we would take them to Chick-fil-A soon, because Chick-fil-A just came out with their seasonal peppermint milkshake, which is such a treat, guys.
It's so good.
So that's what we're gonna do real quickly. We're gonna actually get the kids some dinner and do some peppermint milkshakes, and then we're going to finish up getting the rest of the stuff for the house. But
It ain't just the Lord's chicken, it's also the Lord's milkshakes, okay? So, you ain't ever had one of these peppermint milkshakes from Chick-fil-A, you need to get on that.
it's really, really good. Their peach milkshakes are so good in the summer, and then their peppermint milkshakes in the winter. I'm trying not to do sugar, so I'm gonna go ahead and pass on this. I'm just trying to really boost my immune
Same.
system, juicing, all that kind of stuff. But we wanted to do something special for the kids because they've been working really hard.
Steven?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
How are you?
good, how are you?
Excellent.
It's a nice big van.
It is a large vehicle. We have many children.
You're all in there?
Actually, 2 are at home, but we have 7 kids, so.
How many?
7.
Oh man, I don't even have 7 people in my family.
We're a big family.
Thanks so much.
Awesome.
Excellent. Excellent.
Woo. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Dear.
What do you guys say to Daddy for these yummy treats?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What
It's my
can
pleasure.
I
I
say?
should have said
welcome.
I should have said it's my pleasure. We have 1 glory sandwich,
Glory
2
sandwich.
glory sandwiches, and a 3rd glory sandwich. Cheers.
Bonus fry, you get your own ketchup packet. Name that comedian.
Jaime Yaffigan.
We love Jim
I
Gaffigan.
love some Jim Gaffigan.
Where y'all speak? What?
I meant Jim
We
Gaffigan.
spoke a language called Jim Gaffigan.
Like this, ¿cómo está?
Not
That's right,
quite.
that's Spanish.
¿Cómo está?
Yeah, you're taking Spanish class.
No,
Doing
my
well.
friend teach me that.
Your friend taught you that?
7th grade.
Oh, cool.
I mean, when I 8th grade.
When I was 4th grade in China.
I don't learn Spanish in China.
I assume not.
Yeah, I figured they probably are teaching you English in China.
Did you learn any English in China in school?
I do, but every time when I heard someone speak English, I always fell asleep.
You're like, why would I need to know this
I don't
English
need to know this.
language?
I know, I
Crazy
was
English
so
language.
weird. Like, I don't even know how to say this.
The one where
I'm never gonna need to use this.
the thing that Penelope knew how to say was Lamborghini.
That's true.
Because it's Lamborghini.
Yeah,
Missed you, buddy.
Yeah, we got lots of stuff, didn't we?
Yeah, we got all kinds of stuff. Jude and I have matching hats now.
Yep.
We're quite excited about this. I'm Santa Claus 1 and you're Santa Claus 2.
Yep.
Thing 1 and thing
It'll
2.
be awesome.
Yep.
Thing 1 and thing 2, Santa Claus edition.
Getting in the Christmas spirit. Woo!
Oh, no.
You gonna wear?
Yeah.
And we have a 3rd Santa Claus hat as well that Liam is going to wear. So we'll be the 3 Santas.
Why have 1 Santa when you could have 3 Santas?
Santas.
We're Santa together! Lincoln, you look so cute! Okay, I think we're gonna go ahead and close it out here because we have lots of stuff to do. Lincoln, are you gonna help mommy? Yeah, I'll show you all the cool
What did
stuff.
you get?
Is there anything good for me? We got lots of good stuff. But we love you guys so much. We'll go ahead and close this out here, and we'll see you guys for our next video, which is going to be our home tour video.
Oh
So
my
that's gonna be
gosh.
awesome. Now, guys, make sure to join us back then.
Yeah.
And we'll see you guys next time. Now, guys, say bye.
Bye.
For your name's sake, you will